In a significant development, the Supreme Court of India has agreed to hear the Gyanvapi Masjid case tomorrow, that is on Friday at 3 p.m. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud agreed to constitute the bench tomorrow after an urgent mentioning of the case was made by Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain on behalf of the Hindu plaintiffs. The plea has been filed by the Hindu parties seeking the extension of the order protecting the purported Shivling found during a survey conducted inside the Gyanvapi Mosque premises. Advocate Jain today mentioned the plea before the Supreme Court bench in light of the fact that the interim order that had been passed by the Supreme Court on May 17th for the protection of the Shivling reportedly found inside the masjid during the survey by the Advocate Commissioner is expiring on November 12th. He added that the application filed by the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid Committee, which manages the masjid, challenging the maintainability of the suit, has been dismissed. A bench comprising Justices D.Y. Chandrachud, Surya Kant and P.S. Narasimha had heard the matter earlier. On October 31st, the Supreme Court had agreed to list the matter today. However, it eventually did not get listed. The case is the special leave petition filed by the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid Committee challenging the survey ordered by the Varanasi Civil Court in a suit filed by 5 Hindu women seeking the right to worship the deities reportedly found inside the mosque premises throughout the year. To provide a brief overview for all of you on the developments that has taken place in this case so far, on May 17th, the Supreme Court of India had clarified that the order passed by the Civil Judge Senior Division at Varanasi to protect the spot where a Shivling was claimed to have been found during the survey of the mosque will not restrict the right of Muslims to access the mosque to offer namaz or to perform other religious activities. Next, on May 20th, the Supreme Court had transferred the suit to the Varanasi District Court, observing that a senior and a more experienced judicial officer should deal with the matter considering the sensitivity of the issues involved. The court had also directed that the district court should hear the applications filed by the Masjid Committee under Order 7, Rule 11 of the CPC questioning the maintainability of the suit on a priority basis. Furthermore, on July 21st, the court had adjourned the matter to October 20th to await the decision of the district court. Recently, the district court rejected the Masjid Committee's objection to the maintainability of the suit and held that the same was not barred by the Places of Worship Act of 1991. 2 weeks ago, the Varanasi District Court dismissed an application filed by the Hindu plaintiffs for carbon dating and scientific investigation of the purported Shivling found. The Varanasi court had observed, and I quote here, if carbon dating or ground penetrating radar is permitted and if any damage is caused to the Shivlinga, then it would be a violation of the Supreme Court order to protect it, and it might also hurt the religious sentiments of the general public. Thank you. I'm Chandrachud for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates.